If you are struggling to update WhatsApp to the latest version in 2025, in this video I will be showing you the fastest way to do that. But make sure to watch the video till end so you don't make a single mistake. And guys, in this video I'm going to show you about two ways that you can follow to update your WhatsApp to the latest version. You can follow the same steps if you're on an iPhone or an Android as well. Guys, first of all you'll have to head over to the App Store or Google Play Store, and then you'll have to simply search for WhatsApp. Now, once you find WhatsApp, you'll have to tap on update if it shows an update option. But in some cases, it may show open option, which means that technically your WhatsApp is already updated to the latest version, but you still are facing some bugs and glitches in WhatsApp, or you don't have access to some latest features. In that case, you'll have to head over to the settings of your phone, and then you'll have to tap on general and iPhone storage. Now you'll have to tap on WhatsApp. Basically, what we'll do, we will offload the app by tapping on offload, and make sure to keep in mind that it will not delete any of your important files or data. It will just offload the application, which will potentially delete all the cache files that are causing bugs and glitches on your app. Simply tap on offload, and then after some seconds it will show you a new option of reinstall app. You'll have to tap on it. It will take some time, and then your app will be updated to the latest version. But first you'll have to follow the first step, that going to App Store and updating the app manually. Then you'll have to follow this step if that doesn't work. So your WhatsApp will be forcefully updated to the latest version. If this helped you out, hit that subscribe button. It really supports the channel, and comment below if you got stuck anywhere.